welcome to jgcancook. So today is the day 4 of the 12 days food challenge, that is cooking food starting from A to Z. So let me give a brief about this video. We are doing this challenge as we are going to hit 1 year on YouTube on 24th of April. So if you haven't checked the previous videos, link is in the description. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today we are going to cook food from letter H and I. So from letter H, I am going to make hot dogs. So for this we need approx 6 small or 3 medium sized potatoes that are boiled. We will mash them. Then we will take a pan, add approx 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, some heeng. Then we will add some chopped green chilies. Stir it for a while and the gas should be on medium flame. Then we will add approx 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Now it's time to add the mashed potatoes. Do ensure that you mash the potatoes very well so that it mixes very well with this ginger garlic paste and chili mixture. Then we are going to stir it well. After stirring it well for approx 1 minute, we will start adding the spices in it. Firstly, we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add more or less. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Approx 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. And 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. You can add more or less spices according to your taste. Then we will mix it well. Now we are going to add approx 1 tablespoon of water so that the potato mixture forms a dough-like consistency. Mix it well. Now add some kasuri methi or chopped coriander leaves. Again mix it for 1 to 2 minutes. And finally we are going to add approx half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it well. Now it's time to add some breadcrumbs so that it binds together very well. I have taken one bread and grinded it in the mixer. And guys, to recheck the ingredients, you can always check the description box. After mixing it well, we will take it out in a bowl and let it cool for approx 10 to 15 minutes. So after 10 to 15 minutes, we will start making the hot dog tikki. So for that we need some oil to apply on hands and on the board. Then we will take some amount of the aloo mixture and we will start shaping it into the hot dog tikki. Just roll it very gently with your hands and apply oil on your hands when needed. I am shaping it like so. You can always check the size of the hot dog tikki with your hot dog bun, and these hot dog buns are very easily available in the market. So from this recipe we can make approx 4 hot dogs. So after repeating the step for all the hot dog tikkis, we have made the 4 tikkis. Now we will freeze it for 10 to 15 minutes. After that we will shallow fry them. Now we will take a pan and add oil on it. We will heat the oil on low medium flame for 5 minutes. After the oil is hot, we will start adding the hot dog tikkis. I am frying here 2 at a time. After 5 to 10 minutes, change its sides so that we can cook it from all the sides. We need to cook it till the golden brownish layer is formed on the hot dog tikki. After a nice golden layer has been formed on the tikki, we will take it out in a plate. Now we will start preparing the hot dog. For this we need a hot dog bun. We will cut it from between. We will open it wide We don't need to cut it all through. Then we will heat the hot dog bun without any oil so that the hot dog bun becomes very soft. So after heating it for 2 to 3 minutes, we will take it out. Now we will start plating it. For this we need mayonnaise, mint mayonnaise and ketchup. You can take any sauces you want. First we will apply some mayonnaise on the hot dog bun. You can also apply it with a spoon. Then I am going to apply some mint mayonnaise on it. You can always support your bun with these type of katoris. Then we will add some lettuce or the patta gobi, some onions and some tomatoes. After that I am going to add some ketchup. Now it's time to add the hot dog tikki. After adding sauce, we will again add the mint mayonnaise, the mayonnaise and the ketchup in it. And our hot dog is ready to serve. We will repeat the process for all. And you can see how beautiful it looks. So guys, if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up. And if you try this recipe, do share it with me on Instagram. Handle is in the description box and also on the screen. So moving on to the next letter, that is I, we are going to make Indian bread pizza, that is also called suji ki bread. We will take approx 2 cup of suji and sieve it in a bowl. Then we are going to add approx 1 cup of dahi in it. Then we will mix it well. After mixing it, we are going to add approx 1 cup of water in it. We will gradually add the water. We need to make the smooth batter of the suji. It should be like the idli batter consistency. So after mixing it well, we are going to cover it for 10 to 15 minutes and let it rest as the suji absorbs a lot of water. So after 10 minutes, we are going to add some more water in it and mix it well to smoothen the consistency. Now we will add some black pepper, some salt. You can add according to taste. Now we will add half a teaspoon of eno in it and then we will add some water in it so that it mixes very well with the batter. Now moving on to the next step, we will fry some breads. Here I am taking 2 bread. Here I am applying very minimal amount of oil in it, so it is very healthy. After light toasting the breads for approx 2 minutes, now I am going to take one bread and then apply the suji batter on it. Here I am applying approx 2 big spoons of the suji batter. Then we will add some capsicum, some onions. You can also add some corns if you want. Then I will add some more suji batter and then mix it with the spatula. Then we will apply some oil on the tawa and will flip it so that the suji is cooked very well. We need to cook it on low flame. So after like 5 minutes, our Indian bread pizza is ready. To check if the suji is cooked well or not, we will pierce the knife in it, and if the knife comes out clean, then it is cooked well. We will cook it for approx 1 minute more. And now it is ready to serve. So before serving, we can just cut it with a knife in a pizza shape, that is the triangle shape. or you can also cut it in a square shape as you want, or can serve as it is. So guys, our delicious and healthy Indian bread pizzas are ready to serve. You can serve them with ketchup or with green chutney if you want. So if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and do share your feedback with me in the comment section. So we have successfully completed the day 4 of this challenge. Was I successful or not? Do tell me in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe it and click on the bell button to get post notifications. This was it for today's video. Now we will meet you tomorrow with some more exciting letters. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay tuned. Bye.